Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom web page shortcut to the home screen on OPPO A98. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome and then website of our choosing. Here's our own website, HardReset.Info, and we're gonna click in the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Now select Add to Home Screen. You can name your shortcut however you like. When it's ready, click on Add. You'll see the size of your shortcuts. It's 1 by 1 by default, and let's add it. Now we can go back to the home screen and find the shortcut. It's right here. Click on it to instantly open this website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.